Some widgets have a background property tab to modify the background options of your widget. To access the background property tab for your widget, mouse over the widget, select the down arrow, and select Settings. Then select Background Properties. The Background Property tabs has 3 sections: Background, Border, and Shadow. In Background, you can specify a background color or upload an image for your widget. You can also specify an alternating color or image on a mouse over or hover. For example, choose Normal and select Color. Then select Hover and also select Color. Next, we have Border. Likewise with Border, you can set a normal border with the width and color. You can also specify a hover border. Finally, we have Shadow. Shadow will create a drop shadow around your widget. To save your settings, click OK, and don't forget to save and publish your change.